I'm sorry, the station Carlin is too marginal there. I'm not able to hear anything. I can tell somebody's talking, but that's all I can do. If you're mobile and get closer to Maryville, all right, give us a call there. That's where we're at in Maryville, Tennessee. So sorry about that. CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. The Smoky Mountain Amateur Radio Club Solar Powered Station 4A.
Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray.
4 OLP, AA0G.
Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray.
4 OLP, AA0G. Double 4 OLP, AA0G.
Field Day Station calling. This is Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray, Waterrock Knob, North Carolina. QRZ, anybody copy? This is Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray. It is thunderstorming around us here on Waterrock Knob, North Carolina. It is field day, Saturday, the 28th, and we're in the car with a FTX-1F. Despite all the bugs and complaints, it is getting out pretty good. I did work some folks here on 652, and we're using a Hustler whip on 2 meters, and we're getting out 10 watts. So see if we can get anybody here. QRZ Field Day, anybody need North Carolina? Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray, battery power, Waterrock Knob, Echo Mike 85. QRZ 2 meters, QRZ 2 meters, Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray. QRZ 2 meters, QRZ 2 from Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray. Anybody around? Let's go up to sideband, see if anybody's on sideband. QRZ 2 meters, QRZ 2, Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray, Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray. Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray, W4PGX. Yeah, nothing there. I'm going to go back to 652.
I took an amp up there to the VHS shack, and I'm planning on going up there and doing some calling on single sideband. But anyway, hope we're not putting out too much power. I know it's down around 20-25% or something like that, but that's still pretty much power for that particular amp. But anyway, we'll see what happens with this, with the rain too. You know, we may have some stuff cook up and we'll all have to take cover. You know,
Probably hear that thunder out there.
South of me is Georgia, and it's Waynesville County. And, yeah, they were in a flood warning. But you know, I had nothing. It was later on in the evening I had a few sprinkles, but that was it. And so, but yeah, that's the way it was. East of me I had flood warning.
What you're seeing here, that's lightning. That's what you're
West of
seeing
me in
showing up on the
Chattanooga,
scope.
they had flood warnings.
That's static
South of me,
crashes.
but, nothing really particularly here. So, all right, well, have a good time doing some field day stuff. 7-3 and 4AOW.
QRZ 2 meters, QRZ 2 meters, Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray, Whiskey 4, Papa Germany X-ray, QRZ 2 meters. Check my power going out. Yeah, I'm 10 watts. QRZ 2 meters. Hello, QRZ 2, W4 Papa Germany X-ray, Whiskey 4 Papa Germany X-ray, Waterrock Knob, North Carolina. Hello, QRZ. This is Whiskey 4 Papa Germany X-ray, W4PGX 10 watts, Waterrock Knob, North Carolina, Echo Mike 85. Anybody around? Field day or any other station?
Yeah, and 4KGW and 4AOW.